Welcome to Travel Partner. Get ready to experience a city that pulses with energy and innovation, where every corner tells a story of speed, style, and vibrant culture. Today, we're exploring Stuttgart, a city where German engineering meets electrifying nightlife, and where the spirit of adventure is always in the air. By day, Stuttgart is all about industry and innovation, home to legendary brands like Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. The city's streets echo with the legacy of automotive excellence, drawing car lovers from around the world. But as night falls, the city transforms into a playground of style and energy, where the pace shifts and the excitement truly begins. The hum of engines becomes the backdrop for a nightlife scene that's both sophisticated and welcoming, inviting everyone to join in the fun. Imagine neon lights reflecting off polished sports cars, their curves glowing under the city's electric sky, chic cafes buzzing with locals and visitors alike, each spot offering its own unique flavor and atmosphere, and elegant lounges filled with laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses as friends celebrate into the night. Stuttgart's after-hours vibe is a seamless blend of high-octane excitement and relaxed luxury, where every night feels like a special occasion. Here, car culture and nightlife are intertwined, creating an atmosphere you won't find anywhere else in Germany, a place where passion for performance meets a love for celebration. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a foodie, or just love a good night out with friends, Stuttgart has something for everyone to enjoy. So buckle up. Let's dive into the city's glittering streets, discover its world-class nightlife, and see what adventures await after dark. If you love exploring new destinations and want more insider guides, don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner for your next adventure. Now, let's hit the streets and see what makes Stuttgart's nights truly unforgettable. Ready? Let's go and experience the magic together. To understand Stuttgart's nightlife, you need to know its roots in automotive history. This is where Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler sparked a revolution, and that spirit still drives the city today. Mercedes-Benz and Porsche have shaped not just the economy, but the city's entire lifestyle. Decades of automotive excellence have fostered a taste for quality, reflected in everything from high-end restaurants to exclusive clubs. The city's venues mirror the precision and style of its cars, offering premium experiences everywhere you go. Here, conversations about horsepower blend seamlessly with discussions about art and music. Stuttgart's nightlife is a direct extension of its engineering legacy, dynamic, refined, and always buzzing with energy. When the factories close, the city's pulse simply shifts to its vibrant night scene. As night falls, Stuttgart transforms into a city of modern elegance and understated luxury. The city's skyline glows softly, hinting at the vibrant life that pulses through its streets after dark. The city center comes alive. Friends gather, couples stroll, and luxury cars cruise the boulevards, their headlights reflecting off polished stone and glass. There's a sense of anticipation in the air, as if every corner holds a new adventure. Forget grungy dive bars. Here, venues are sleek, stylish, and impeccably designed. Each space feels curated, with designer touches and a welcoming atmosphere that invites you to unwind. Rooftop terraces and glass-walled lounges offer stunning city views, while ambient lighting sets the mood. The city stretches out before you, twinkling under the night sky, making every moment feel special. Every detail, from crystal glassware to attentive service, reflects Stuttgart's love for quality. Even the smallest touches are thoughtfully considered, elevating your experience. Valets park high-performance cars, adding a touch of glamour to the scene. The arrival of each vehicle is a spectacle, drawing admiring glances from passers-by. The energy spills onto the streets. Music, conversation, and the occasional engine growl fill the air. Laughter echoes between buildings, blending with the city's unique rhythm. Late-night cafes and ice cream parlors invite you to linger and people watch. Here, time seems to slow down, letting you savor every moment. The whole city feels like an open-air lounge where everyone's part of the party. There's a sense of community as locals and visitors mingle under the stars. Stuttgart's nightlife is a celebration of style, sophistication, and the city's unique automotive spirit. It's a place where passion for design and a love for life come together seamlessly. It's a night out you won't forget, one that lingers in your memory long after the city lights fade. Ready to experience Stuttgart's nightlife firsthand? This city truly comes alive after dark, offering a vibrant mix of energy, style, and excitement for every kind of night owl and car enthusiast. Start your evening on Theodor-Heuss-Straße, the city's legendary party mile, where the pulse of Stuttgart's nightlife beats the loudest. By night, this boulevard is lined with buzzing bars, lively clubs, and chic lounges, and it even doubles as a runway for luxury cars cruising by, adding a glamorous touch to the scene. For classic clubbing, head to Perkins Park, famous for its panoramic city views, multiple dance floors, and a stylish, energetic crowd that keeps the party going until sunrise. Techno fans shouldn't miss Kowalski, celebrated for its industrial chic vibe, cutting-edge sound system, and top-notch music from renowned DJs. Prefer something more intimate? Try Jigger and Spoon, a hidden speakeasy tucked inside a former bank vault where expert bartenders craft creative cocktails in a cozy, exclusive setting. Or visit the award-winning Schwartz Weiss bar for precision-crafted cocktails and a sophisticated atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. Car culture is everywhere, even at the V8 Hotel bar, where you can sip your favorite drink surrounded by gleaming classic cars and automotive memorabilia. The areas around the Mercedes-Benz and Porsche museums buzz with activity during special events, drawing crowds of car lovers and partygoers alike. Whether you're dancing, sipping, or car spotting, Stuttgart's Hotspots blend warm hospitality with a passion for all things automotive. Each venue offers a unique slice of the city's vibrant night scene, promising new experiences and unforgettable memories. There's truly something for every taste and mood, from high-energy dance floors to relaxed lounges and everything in between. Dive in, explore, and discover your favorite spot among Stuttgart's endless nightlife options. The night is young in Stuttgart, so get out there and make it unforgettable. Want to blend in? Dress smart casual. Stuttgart locals take pride in their appearance. Men opt for trousers or dark jeans with a button down. Women, a chic dress or tailored pants. Getting around is easy. Public transport runs late. Taxis and ride shares are plentiful, so you can explore worry-free. For car spotting, grab a terrace seat on Theodor-Heuss-Straße or near high-end hotels, prime locations for luxury vehicles. The city center, especially Königstrasse, is another hotspot for rare car sightings. A little insider knowledge goes a long way. Plan ahead for the best experience. For more travel tips and guides, check out Travel Partner. We're here to help you make every trip unforgettable. Stuttgart's nightlife is best enjoyed when you're prepared and ready to explore. Dress up, stay curious, and enjoy the ride. What sets Stuttgart's nightlife apart? It's the perfect blend of safety, style, and genuine hospitality. The city is clean, orderly, and secure. Even late at night, you'll feel at ease exploring on foot. Nightlife here is polished and sophisticated, with venues managed to the highest standards. The fun is lively, but always respectful. Think great music, full dance floors, and a welcoming vibe. Bartenders and locals are friendly, happy to chat or share recommendations. You're not just a visitor, you're a welcome guest. Stuttgart's nightlife reflects its unique identity, precise, high quality, and sincerely inviting. It's a standout experience you won't find anywhere else in Germany. Don't let the luxury fool you. Stuttgart's nightlife is open to all. While there are exclusive spots, most bars, pubs, and clubs are welcoming and accessible. The city's diverse venues cater to every budget, From chic cocktail bars to cozy Kneipen and lively beer gardens, students, tourists, and executives all mingle in this inclusive social scene. The international community adds a spirit of openness and curiosity. Dress codes are about respect, not status. Everyone's here to enjoy the night together. You can admire a supercar one moment and share a beer with a local the next. Stuttgart proves that glamour and accessibility can go hand in hand. No matter your background, you'll find your place in the city's vibrant nightlife. Here, everyone's invited to the party. A night out in Stuttgart is more than just drinks. It's a cultural immersion. The city's automotive legacy shapes every aspect of its nightlife, from the design of its bars to the energy on its streets. Excellence is the standard, whether it's a perfectly mixed cocktail or a world-class sound system. The sights, sounds, and tastes create memories that last long after your trip. Don't just visit Stuttgart by day. Stay for the night and experience its true spirit. Dress up, join the fun, and see how industry and style come together in one unforgettable evening. Whether you're a car lover, nightlife enthusiast, or curious traveler, Stuttgart After Dark has something for you. It's modern, stylish, and incredibly welcoming. Make it a highlight of your travel story. Stuttgart's nights are waiting. Don't miss out. What a journey through Stuttgart's sparkling nights. We've seen how the city's automotive heritage fuels a nightlife that's both glamorous and inviting. I hope you're inspired to add a night in Stuttgart to your travel plans. For more guides and insider tips, subscribe to Travel Partner. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing these stories with you. Until next time, travel safely and keep discovering new adventures. Goodbye for now.